you are planning a Mediterranean getaway from the UAE, the best answer would be Cyprus. Cyprus has stunning beaches, ancient ruins, and beautiful culture. It has become a popular destination among UAE residents. Cyprus has a lot to offer for every traveler. All you need is to understand the Cyprus visit visa requirements from UAE. Whether you are a Filipino, Indian, or Pakistani national living in the UAE, getting an international visa from the UAE for Cyprus is relatively simple, provided you know the right steps to take. Types of Cyprus visit visas from UAE. For most of the travelers, the short-stay visa, Type C, is the appropriate option. It is valid for up to 90 days within a 180-day period and can be issued for single or multiple entries. Tourist visa to Cyprus. The Cyprus tourist visa is the most commonly issued short-stay visa and is ideal for those planning to visit Cyprus for leisure or vacation. Who can apply? UAE residents of any nationality who require a visa for Cyprus. Those intending to stay for less than 90 days in a 180-day period. Travelers who have no intention to work or study in Cyprus. Key requirements: a clear travel itinerary covering destinations in Cyprus, confirmed hotel reservations, round-trip flight bookings, proof of sufficient financial means to support the stay, travel insurance covering the entire duration. If you're self-planning the trip, include a cover letter explaining your purpose, dates, and accommodation details. Processing time: 7 to 15 working days, depending on nationality. Business visa to Cyprus. The business visa is issued to those who need to travel to Cyprus for business-related purposes, such as meetings, conferences, contract signings, or trade exhibitions. Who can apply? UAE residents with valid residence permits who are invited by Cypriot companies or attending business events. Entrepreneurs or employees representing their firms in business deals. Key requirements: an invitation letter from the host company or conference organizer in Cyprus, stating the purpose and duration of the visit. Letter from the UAE employer confirming the traveler's designation, salary, and intent. Company trade license, E-based. Travel insurance and a round-trip ticket. Hotel booking confirmation or accommodation details from the host. Additional notes: if your company is covering expenses, mention it clearly in the employer's letter. The business letter should include details of the meeting/event, including names of attendees, dates, and agenda. Processing time: 10 to 15 working days. Family friend visit visa to Cyprus. This visa allows UAE residents to visit close relatives or friends residing in Cyprus. It is a Type C short-stay visa, just like tourist or business visas, and is valid for up to 90 days. Who can apply? UAE residents who have an invitation from a Cyprus-based family member or friend. Travelers who intend to stay at the invitee's home, rather than a hotel. Key requirements: a notarized invitation letter from your host in Cyprus. Must include full name, contact details, home address, and relation. Copy of the Cypriot host's passport or residence permit. Proof of relationship, such as a birth or marriage certificate, if applying to visit a family member. Accommodation guarantee letter, stating you will stay at their home. NOC letter from the UAE employer if employed. Bank statements and travel insurance. A personal cover letter explaining the nature of the relationship and the reason for the visit. Sponsorship option. In some cases, the host may be required to sponsor the trip, meaning they will guarantee financial responsibility. In such cases, additional documents like bank statements and property proof from the host might be needed. Processing time: 10 to 20 working days, depending on nationality and completeness of the documents. Required documents for Cyprus visit visa, general list. Here are the essential documents required for all UAE residents applying for a Cyprus visit visa. Completed Cyprus visa application form. Valid passport, with at least 6 months validity and 2 blank pages. UAE residence visa. Valid for at least 3 months after your return. Recent passport size photos, white background, 3.5 by 4.5 centimeters. Round-trip flight itinerary. Hotel booking or accommodation proof. Travel insurance, minimum coverage of €30,000. Bank statements, last 3 to 6 months. No objection certificate, NOC, from the employer or sponsor. Proof of income/salary certificate. Cover letter, mentioning purpose of visit, dates, and itinerary. Cyprus is a destination that one should have on their bucket list. Getting a visit visa as a UAE resident is easier than you might think with the right preparation. The Cyprus visa for UAE residents follows a transparent and well-organized process. Just ensure you meet all the document requirements, schedule your Cyprus visa appointment in Dubai or Abu Dhabi on time, and stay updated on processing timelines. We have shared all the details about the Cyprus visit visa requirements from the UAE. Contact TravNook to get your Cyprus visa without any stress. We understand the process and make it smoother and quicker for you. So pack your bags, secure your visa, and get ready to explore the sun-drenched island of Cyprus.